Acting President Chiwenga has once again publicly denounced corruption in the entrepreneurship, sharpening his attack on so-called Zvigananda as the ZANU-PF's long-running internal power struggle continue to simmer beneath the surface. Sarabina mashoko bdanyi kwa Chiwenga fires live shows on Zvigananda. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na mzimba mubdanyi kwa mchinzi. Speaking at the burial of the national hero Brigadier General retired Matthias Tshirengarava on Friday, 2 January 2026, Chiwenga accused the briefcase businessmen and politically connected elites of looting public resources while ordinary Zimbabweans sink deeper into poverty. His remarks come against a well-documented backdrop of factional battles within ZANU-PF, where corruption allegations, state capture claims, and the rivalry over succession have repeatedly played out through coded speeches, leaks, and public denunciations. Chiwenga, a former military commander, a central figure in the 2017 coup that ended Robert Mugabe's rule, has been remarkably consistent since then in framing corruption as a betrayal of the liberation struggle and a threat to national stability. Addressing mourners, he warned that independence was never meant to enrich a few at the expense of the many. What legacy are we creating? One of sacrifice, patriotic service, and national purpose, or one of plunder, said Chiwenga. Without naming names, his remarks echoed earlier speeches in which he has criticized the tender corruption, patronage networks, and elite accumulation, often interpreted as thinly veiled attacks on a rival political and business interests within the ruling party. Chiwenga said honoring fallen liberation fighters required more than ceremonial praise. Our duty is to merely honor their memory. It is to implement their vision through ethical leadership, clean governance, unit of purpose, and economic transformation. Domashkwano yachitagona general panguva inoi. Pina comment section medu muzafungura elimo tulipa msoro pichitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu msawan subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.